Did you know that one of the most common obstacles that people face when building their online business is creating their pages and funnels? Yes, that is correct. We are not even talking about websites anymore. If you want to build a successful online business and do it fast, you need to build funnels. But how do you do it? Most funnel building apps are very expensive and very complicated to use, especially if you are a beginner. And that is where Groovefunnels comes into play. Groovefunnels is an online app that will let you build up to 3 funnels completely for free. It has everything you would ever need to build your online business from scratch. A pages builder, payment processor, email service, affiliate portal, tracking system, and much more. And all of this for free. That's not bad, right? It's actually perfect for someone just starting out. So go ahead, join the course right now and learn how to use Groovefunnels for free to build your online business. And by the way, don't worry if you don't like the course. You have 30 days money back guarantee, no questions asked, so there is no risk for you whatsoever.